One of Phuket's most well-liked beaches is the 3 km stretch of golden sand near Patong. There are numerous boat captains, parasail and jet ski operators, beach merchants, and masseuses who approach tourists who are unwinding on the sand. Coconut, palm, and tropical almond trees line Patong Beach's shoreline, dividing it from the main road. Beach massage parlors are surrounded by vendors selling snacks and beverages in this slightly cooler location. Additionally, there are beachfront eateries and pubs that serve straightforward Thai and international cuisine, especially in the center of the beach and close to Bangla Road. A little sandy brook with clean, shallow water can be seen in the northern section of Patong Beach throughout the summer. There are several fishing boats anchored at the river's mouth in the southern portion. The headland that divides Patong from Karen is surrounded by a number of coves and beaches, as well as a tiny fishing community that can be reached via the bridge over the river. Between November and April, when the sea is exceptionally calm and flat, is the ideal time to explore Patong Beach in Phuket. The beach is subjected to strong surges and huge waves from May to October. On some days, you can swim, but when the red warning flags are out on the sand, you must strictly abide by them. These are the most things you should know. Having dinner on Patong Beach. There are numerous roadside booths and roving merchants providing a range of foods, beverages, snacks, and ice cream along Patong Beach. Sarongs, beach mats, sunglasses, and souvenirs are also widely available for purchase. International fast food franchises including McDonald's, KFC, and Burger King are among the eateries and cafes that line a significant portion of Beach Road, which runs from Hard Patong Alley to Prachanukru Road. On the actual beach, there is a good selection of eateries and pubs, such as Sol Mio, Chez Bernard, and Patong Beachfront Food Court. Infrastructure at Patong Beach. There are numerous public restrooms scattered throughout Patong Beach, and using them typically costs a few baht. Along the beach road, there are lots of parking spots for small motorcycles and scooters, but they can get busy during the day. Due to its popularity, arriving early in the day will help you find a decent place. You can always lay down your own mat or towel anywhere along the beach, and there are sun loungers accessible in small portions of the sand. Activities in Patong Beach. Jet skiing and parasailing are the most well-liked activities on Patong Beach. Every few hundred meters, especially near the end of Bangla Road, operators can be found. If you're interested in participating in motorized water sports, use caution and wear a life jacket. Scams are fairly widespread, and the majority of jet skis are not insured. Banana boat rides, water skiing, wakeboarding, kayaking, and windsurfing are more activities available. The northern end of Patong Beach, where the waves may be extremely swift and exposed to the wind, is the ideal location for surfing. At Patong Beach's northern end, the rocks offer some decent snorkeling opportunities. On the beach, there are numerous merchants selling snorkel gear. On Patong Beach, local masseuses have established up shop in the shady areas. Thai massages typically cost 200 baht for an hour. There are various other massage techniques like foot reflexology available. If you need any more information about Phuket, kindly text in the comment section below and let's us work more on it. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more.